is finally autumn, and in the words of The Weeknd, I come alive in the fall time. So I went to the thrift store to find some items that are holes in my current autumn-winter wardrobe. For example, I really needed a wool black coat. I also would really like a tan camel coat. And then I also wanted to find some turtlenecks that are in some other colors, because the only ones I have right now are black and dark gray. I found absolutely zero of those things, but I did find some other fun things. So these are those things. I have been looking for something. Okay, so behind our toilet, there is a little shelf. I think it's like 6-7 inches wide. And we put all of our like excess toilet paper there, and it's not very aesthetically pleasing to look at a bunch of toilet paper. So I've been looking for like a basket to go behind there for since we moved in, so like 2 years. And when I saw this at the thrift store, it was one of those rare moments when you're thrifting where you're like, is this it? So here it is. It's a double-decker basket. I love this like woven wicker. Dior has a very similar sort of like print that they use. It really fits in with all the rest of our decor. So yeah, I put the toilet paper in the bottom and all of the rest of the various and sundry things in the top, and it works so perfectly and just barely fits on that little ledge. So I am so excited. It was only $3.95, so less than €4 and dollars. They're like about the same right now. So yeah, I was really excited. When I was checking out, the lady in front of me was like, oh, that's cute. I'm also very excited about this next thing that I found, because it is a traditional European market basket. They even sell these in the markets here in Amsterdam. Basically, they're these woven baskets, and a lot of people take them to like the market that happens in their neighborhood. I go to the market in my neighborhood pretty much every week because they have exquisite cheese and fresh, amazing coffee beans that are fair trade. So, you know, I'm all over that. I have almost purchased one of these a couple times. They're like 15 euros, 15, 20 euros usually. I got this one for $4.95. And when I first saw it, I immediately was like, okay, there's probably a hole in it or something. And then also I was a little bit put off by like all of these fake flowers on it. I don't know. I think the person who owned it before me wanted to like spice it up, which I totally can appreciate. However, the fact that I can take them off is also awesome, because I would rather it look kind of more traditional like this. What really sold me on it though was these handles are beautifully broken in. They're so soft. So I'm very excited. I am going to be removing those, and then also like this little bell as well. But yeah, so I got this for $4.95, and yeah, I'm really excited, further immersing myself into my European life, and I will definitely be taking this to the market. So autumn always makes me want to be a little bit more artsy and craftsy. And I was really feeling like I wanted to start knitting again, because fun fact, my grandma taught me how to knit. And I knew at the thrift store there would be knitting needles, because I have seen them there a bunch of times, and I kind of made a mental note like, okay, if I decide I want to knit again, I need to come here and get the knitting needles. So I found 2 pairs, which, by the way, finding like the matching one to each of these was actually kind of a process, because it was just like a big basket full of knitting needles of all sorts of kinds and sizes. But these are some 8s, and then I also got some 6s. And then I was also going to get some yarn there, but the yarn that they had, I didn't really like any of the colors, and it all didn't feel very nice. So I went to the yarn store on my way home, and I picked up some organic, sustainable yarn. And yeah, oh, I dropped my yarn ball. I'm very excited. This is what I've done so far. However, I think I'm gonna start over, because I think I want it to be like 50% wider than this. But yeah, this is what I have so far. Luckily, I do remember how to knit. Isn't that exciting? And then also, how adorable is my yarn ball? It's so cute. And it's very autumnal, it's very cozy. Probably just gonna knit and watch Gilmore Girls all weekend long. Very sorry that I have been a little bit absent, but I am back and ready to make more videos. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at @styledbyrianne, because over there you can kind of see what I'm up to, see me wearing some of the stuff I make on this channel. And yeah, I will talk to you very soon. Bye!